Your girl's feeling good. I'm in a fantastic mood. Oxygen True Crime playing in the background. I feel like that's a sign from the universe. My car started making this weird, and I told him, don't you bring that home again. Fuck. I would give anything to crawl back into bed right now, but we are not gonna do that. What is that? This is what we call setting ourselves up for success. Oh, this stuff smells so good.
I could sit around and wait all day. You lay easy on my mind, like a candle I just burn away. All we really have is time. All we really have is time. I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with anybody but you. I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with anybody but you.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the, what was that? I just couldn't get my fingers in, I guess. What is up, you guys? Good morning again. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. This time we're going to be doing a few productive days in my life. There's a lot of things happening, really not sure where life is going to take us, so we're just going to roll with the flow and keep good vibes because everything always works out in my favor. That's my mantra and we're sticking to it. So before I get into the details of what's going on, today is Tuesday, April 11th at 9:44, angel numbers. Okay, that makes me feel really good, and I feel like that's a sign from the universe telling me, like, girl, there's nothing to worry about. But yeah, today is Tuesday, another rainy day here in Washington. It's been raining the past few days. And yeah, life's just been a little hectic. I wasn't feeling good a few days ago. Well, I wouldn't say feeling good. I just was extremely tired, like exhausted. I don't know where that came from, but I just needed to take like a day and a half to like rest. So that's what I did. I did a little bit of vlogging. It didn't really show much because my main priority was getting my video finished and uploaded for you guys. And yesterday was actually when I started experiencing like car issues, quote unquote. I'm hoping it's nothing, crossing my fingers. I think it's because I ran over one of those cones that go over your hose in the winter. I don't know where it came from. It's not ours, but it's been so windy the past couple days that it was underneath my car, and when I left for the gym, I ran over it. I didn't know that that's what happened in the moment. My car started making this weird noise, and then when I pulled back into the driveway, I realized that there was a broken cone. I'm like, oh, that's what that noise is. It must be caught in there, because that's what it sounded like. It just made sense. I wanted to figure it out, but I was like, it can wait till tomorrow because I need to get this video done. I did that, got it uploaded, and here we are, starting off my workout a little late because I made an appointment. That way I didn't have to wait in line or anything like that. I scheduled it yesterday. I took what I could get because I really want to get this figured out. That's the update for now. Gonna head into the gym. By the way, if you are new here, what is up? My name is Kayla. I love creating high vibe lifestyle, motivational, inspirational, relatable vlogs, all that good stuff. So if that's something you are interested in, subscribe, give this video a like. If you want to follow me on all the extras, I will leave that handle up as well. But yeah, I'm excited to spend the next few days with you guys and ride this wave together, because like I said, not really sure where things are gonna take us. I also need to go to Costco, and I brought like my laptop and all that stuff just in case I'm at the car place for a while, so we are prepared. So let's go inside and
when you don't call when you supposed to, cause it keeps me on my toes. It kinda makes me want you more. I get a kick from going out when you don't want me to, knowing you're at home all mad. I know I shouldn't feel like that. I do it, you do it, we do it all the time, pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let ourselves play it safe?
You guys, your girl has good freaking news. Literally nothing wrong with my car. There was something stuck under there, and with the little small jack that Derek had, I guess he just couldn't see it. But yeah, that's what was making the noise. They did take a look at my wheel bearings and said that but the one on the driver's back will need to be replaced, but it's not anything urgent. So your girl lucked out, and I wasn't even there for like 10 to 15 minutes. I went in there and mentioned that I recently bought a tire from them, and because of that, they looked at my car for free, checked out the wheel bearings, and were very honest with me. Like, they could have totally told me, like, no girl, you need to get them done, but they didn't. And maybe that's because Derek's dad used to do the books for them for years. I think he worked there for like, I want to say 18 or something years. He's retired now, but anyways, that's besides the point. I think it's safe to say that I manifested that. I literally instantly manifested, which is so funny because me and Derek were discussing him changing the wheel bearing and stuff like that, and then we were like Googling stuff, and we literally just stopped and we're like, there's no need to like Google and waste time and stress and overanalyze. The situation is gonna be what it's gonna be, and everything always works out, best case scenario. And then shortly after that, I was like, honestly, Derek, like the best case scenario would be that it's literally nothing. That is literally nothing. I said that again this morning, and then here we are. So your girl's feeling good. I'm in a fantastic mood, which is obviously rubbing off here in the Costco parking lot because your girl got a spot so close to the front. I mean, I do everywhere I go, let's be honest. It's the truth, seriously. But yeah, just pulled up to Costco. It's currently, what time is it? I don't have my phone on me. 11:51, which isn't the best, but I couldn't be happier with the outcome. So I have a few things on my list that I need to get here, and then we need to go to Walmart to pick up a few more grocery items.
Just for a while, 'cause baby, I know it, you know it, we know it. Deep inside, we too addicted to friction to change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it sure ain't love, love, love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of the stupid shit that we do. No, it ain't love, love, love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of the stupid shit that we do. With a stranger, so I do it to get on your nerves.
I think she was at peace with her decision.
Was Mike at peace with it?
No. No, Mike was not.
Too late. April had made her decision.
You would think that he actually shot her, Mr. Hood, and
Michael's injuries appeared self-inflicted.
And we noticed trauma, what appeared to be blood trauma in his mouth. The first thought is, well, he probably shot himself in the mouth.
Earlier, they'd seemed like the same page.
She did. You know, she was always looked good. She always, you know, put her best foot forward.
Michael Holton's friend Tony remembers him as a fixture in Eclectic.
You couldn't go around town without him being recognized.
He'd worked his way up from paramedic to...
Oh, don't fall over. Don't fall over. Don't fall over. No, don't fall over. Be careful. What is up, you guys? Made it back home. I got everything put away, did some light cleaning, and now I'm about to sit down and edit. I've got Oxygen True Crime playing in the background. You guys, I am literally obsessed. I've been watching it like, I want to say nonstop, but I have been watching a little reality TV here and there. But if I'm not watching that, like, this is what's on. I don't know how it started. I truly don't know how it started. I watched like a couple like Dateline episodes back to back, loved it, and then realized, oh my god, this is like a true crime channel, nothing but true crime. And it's all Derek and I have been watching. Like, the shit that people do is insane, but you also like learn a lot from these shows. Not like to get away with murder, obviously, but just like a whole bunch of things I didn't know. We're not gonna get into it today. That's a different discussion. But if you guys are like true crime, like murder fans, I'm not sure of the correct term, but if you are, comment down below and let me know. I would love to know. But yeah, that's a little update for now. I'm gonna make me some lunch or like a snack, I'm not quite sure. And yeah, I just really want to focus on getting a lot of editing done because it's 3:38 right now and I haven't done anything. And before I start editing my actual vlog, which would be this one, I want to get a few TikToks finished and ready to go. So that's the plan.
Defense attorney is the same make and model of gun.
Same maker for 3.8. Not impossible, is it?
Greg said he said it all. Remember, Madison's dad had handcuffed him behind his back. And when deputies arrived after the shootings, they found Madison still in those handcuffs.
My hands were like they did on my back last night. I couldn't move them.
The sheriff's theory? Madison had been able to
murder Christie. His stunning identity revealed at last.
You are literally talking to Christie's killer.
Right, face to face.
When Dateline Secrets Uncovered continues.
Your true crime favorite. It's back to back. And you can find it right here.
This was a huge lead. We might be able to solve this case.
Dateline Secrets Uncovered Marathon continues next. Only on Oxygen True Crime.
We should have dug deeper when they heard what this woman had to say.
I heard what I believe should be gunshots.
The defense had an ear witness of sorts who testified that though more than a block away, she heard gunshots at the office at 5:10 p.m., which fit the coroner.
I know that you really hurt. So tell me, is it love, 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 love when you're provoking jealousy? Like you're
You gonna help me take off my makeup?
Tell me what to fix, 'cause baby, I
And help me
know
take off my makeup?
all the time. Pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let ourselves play it safe just for a while? Just for a while. 'Cause baby, I know it, you know it, we know it. Deep inside, we need help with these bad habits and foolish pride. We're so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit. Something on my mind, finally not afraid to say it. I know it took some time, used to read it in a press release what I was going through. But I got stories too. The fear of being last, like everybody knows when you don't. If every feeling passed, then why am I still stuck with this one? I should see it through and change my point of view. I try to catch it when the moment's over. I try to fill up though it's pouring over. 'Cause I have reached a point where nothing matters, and I'm signing off this open letter. I go down in blue, and that will be on you. Now what is going on? The answers are right here reflected, but still you get it wrong. 'Cause you heard everyone's but my perspective. I have been there too, but I can't change the truth.
The Bravo original series Summer House starts now. Previously on Summer House.
Happy birthday, Tracy. Holy cow, Kyle's Hoodies. It's a Western themed, inspired solely by the mullet that Kyle's growing. How do you feel about him turning 40? I don't feel any way about it, but like I think Kyle definitely does.
You gotta find that work-life balance because you could die tomorrow.
At my birthday party. No. I'm gonna propose her at the end of the summer. That's like within a month. Yeah. Thanks, man. I mean, there's no playbook. There's no rules about when you're supposed to get engaged. I'm just going for what feels right in my heart. You know, this is the biggest decision I'll ever make in my life. We are a match made.
In
Heaven.
Got to tweet me your questions at Andy for Paige and Sierra all night long. Okay, this is interesting. We got some.
What is up, you guys? It is the next day. It is Saturday, April 15th at 10:30 a.m. It's not really focused, but you can kind of see that. So yeah, it's been a few days. I haven't really picked up the camera much, and then I didn't film yesterday. So I thought I'd hop on and chat with you guys, give you guys a little bit of update of what's been happening behind the scenes, not on camera, because things can look a little aesthetic over here, which we love, but it's also like I need to give you guys the real too. So yeah, for the most part things have been good, super productive, have gotten a lot of things done, including like getting our insurance like drastically lowered. It was going to be like 2,000 something for the year for both cars, but we took Derek's car off because he never freaking drives it ever. Like his tabs are 2022, I believe. Like they've been expired. No, I think it's before that. I don't know, but they've been expired for a long time, and there's no point of putting his insurance on, but we kept it on because we get like a 2-car deal. Okay, see, I'm getting sidetracked. This is not even what I wanted to really discuss, but the gist of that is I got it down to 1,300. Well, I didn't get it down. Derek's mom got it down to like 1,300 for the entire year, which is insane. So couldn't be more excited about that. And then I was on the phone with my grandparents for a little while because he just turned 82 a few days ago, which is insane. He doesn't even seem that old to me, but yeah, spoke with them, so that was nice. And then, you know, I was feeling really good, getting a lot done, and then out of nowhere my cramps just took your girl out. Like I couldn't even function. It was brutal, and it's so crazy because I haven't really experienced cramps in so long. For a minute there I was like, okay, I need to go to the doctor because this is not normal, but then they just went away. And then I recently out of nowhere got really bad cramps, so took some medicine and just got really stoned to just not even feel the pain anymore, and it helped. But then I was like devouring everything in my kitchen, and it didn't help because Derek came home with a whole bunch of sweets, as you guys will see on the screen, like these donuts, this fucking cheesecake that was incredible. It was so freaking good, and I told him, don't you bring that home again. Do not bring that home again. I didn't eat any of the donuts, but that cheesecake, oh, I had some pudding, I had a lot of oranges. Like I was just really taking advantage of the pain in my situation and just really devouring with whatever I wanted, which, you know, I don't feel bad about myself. Like I wasn't beating myself up, but I just felt like I backtracked a lot. Like, as you guys know, I've lost some weight and feeling really good, and then I feel like I gained a little bit. Well, I know I gained a little bit back. I can tell. And so I'm just like, oh, why did I do that? But you know what? It is what it is. I'm not gonna like dwell on it. We're just gonna stay focused, make healthier habits, and really try not to smoke while I'm on my period, because that combination can be lethal. Okay, and we don't want to put on the weight that I just lost. Like that would be, then I'd be upset. So we're just gonna bucker down and stay on the right track and be disciplined. So that's the plan for that. What else has been going on? I think that's it. I just got done with the gym not too long ago, and right now I am right outside of Walmart because I forgot to get cat food the last time I was here, so we're here to get that. But yeah, I think today is gonna be the last day. I don't even know how much I will show after this, but I'm definitely gonna be ending the vlog today. So yeah, let's go get some cat food. It is currently 10:39 and I really just want to focus on the editing and get this video done as soon as possible, because I'm really trying to get back to 2 videos a week. Like, it's really not asking a lot, okay, girly? Like, you don't have a job. What are you doing? I'm telling you guys, the self-sabotage, procrastination, and fear of success can really get in the way, and I'm trying to figure it all out. And that's why being honest and bringing you guys along this journey is really going to hold me accountable. I said that weird. I mean, how embarrassing would it be for me to keep saying the same thing over and over again in a video but not taking the proper action? You see what I'm saying? Filming yourself and documenting like your own personal diaries really does hold you accountable. And like, I know I can do 2 videos a week. Like Vlogmas, I killed it last year, so I just need to, like, I can do this. And that's the main focus for today. So let's go into Walmart and get this cat food, and that's all we're getting. Okay, we don't need anything else. We're not browsing, we're not looking. Let's keep that promise, which will keep the momentum going throughout the day, and that's what we need. So let's go. I'm sitting here laughing at myself because now I'm moving all the way to the front to find a closer parking spot, because I parked way back there because I didn't want anybody like, wow. Okay, it is freaking packed. It is Saturday, so there's that. But guess what? We get up close parking spots around here no matter what. So I have all the faith in the world that we will get a spot up front. But boy, there's just people walking everywhere. Just walking everywhere. We're gonna be in an, are you gonna turn, sir? Let's go. There you go. Yep, there you go. Ooh, come on, dude. Okay, now you're gonna let me. Wow, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay, up front parking spot. Where are you? Oh, right there, you guys. Oh my gosh. Like clockwork, like freaking magic. And guess what? I'm right next to a cart return, which I don't even need a cart, but that's always a bonus. So just, it's automatic. Okay, I'm a freaking mess. Let's go.
I try to catch it, but the moment's over. I try to fill up though it's pouring over. 'Cause I have reached a point where nothing matters, and I'm signing up this open letter. I go down in blue.
I look atrocious. Oh my gosh. Just wasted so much freaking time.
Madison's double murder trial was set. They seem pretty determined.
Yeah.
No more, little missy.
I was pretty determined myself.
No more sassy moments. Dang, I really gotta bring it all the way to the top. Bring it to the top. Actually, ooh. What am I even?
You want the catnip. Don't you? Yeah. There you go. There you go. Now it's all over your face. Hi. Hi. Oh, big yawns. Big yawns. He loves it. Loves it, don't you? Wow.
Road, sir. Really, sir? You're gonna drive around and be just loud and obnoxious for no reason at all. For no reason. Just, I can't. Okay, I seriously think that this is like drool along with this. Like, what the fuck? Crossing my freaking fingers that everything's fine. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Everything always works out for me. Best case scenario, we already know this, so no need to stress. Why are you stressing? You're not stressing. That's what you're not doing. That one is just chilling. Getting off track. Today is Tuesday, April 11th at 3:30. Definitely not.
Something on my mind. Finally not afraid to say it. I know it took some time. Used to read it in a press release what I was going through.